Hello everyone, welcome to all of you to my channel Chanda Ravi. I am Chanda and I always post English related video and also library science related video as I am professor of library science subject. So in this video I have to share something about myself because I wanted to share it. I have been feeling it for a long time and I thought, okay, let's share these things to all of you so that you can also resonate with myself. You know that what I have been feeling. I have been so busy these days. I I wasn't able to do anything, and when I started writing, I thought like I will do this and that thing, but unfortunately, I couldn't do it because if you keep on doing the same things, you just indulge yourself doing that kind of things, and you don't get time to do any things. Same things happened with me, but then I thought, okay, then what will I do in future? Okay, today I'm writing, I'm taking class. Actually, I take class, I teach my students, university and college university students. So and also I started writing. I'm working on project, like I'm writing a book. Then I thought, okay, in between, in this journey, I just forgot the things like speaking English and lots of things. Earlier I used to do this kind of things, but when I started writing, I just forgot to do this kind of things. I haven't tried it. I haven't tried to speak this language to anyone, and because I wanted to do. That's why what I thought, like I will record myself, as I told you in many videos. Like that's why I make blogs, English blogs with my children. Whatever I do, I just record it and post it on YouTube. So yeah, I know that if you do the things which you were doing those days, which you used to do, but you are not doing right now, you get hesitate, like you won't get find word and find vocabulary, and also find word and sentences, lots of things you do in between. So nothing worry about it, because everybody is busy in these days, because you know that they have their busy schedule like I have. That's why and if I talk about myself, these days I'm very busy, totally, exhausted. uh, I always feel like drained out. I don't feel like doing anything after writing. That's why I daily come on the roof with my son, both sons, and I just do funny things and record myself and upload it. Because somewhere I think like when I do these kind of things, I'll be feeling inwardly like, yeah, at least I'm doing some things. Because if you don't do the things which you really wanted to do, it will hurt. It will hurt in future. That's why I thought, no, I will not wait to do these kind of things for the exact time or place. No, I will not do it like that. I will do whatever the time I get, I will do accordingly. That's why I started doing it. So yeah, initially when I started posting, I was hesitating, like how can I do that kind of things. And when I started doing, I yeah, initially when I started posting, I was hesitating, like how can I do that kind of things. And when I started doing, I feel like I felt many times, yeah, I can do it. At least I'm saying, I'm these lines, simple lines, I'm using this in between, like with my children and with myself, like about nature, like about plants. So yeah, you can see. Are you happy? My son Ujjwal. So these things I wanted to share with you, and I shared it. Tell me on comment section, did you also feel like that? Next video I will share about myself, like what I did and what I did for that, like upload lots of video on YouTube, and I started doing this kind of things. What I did for that, I will share it When I get time, I will share it definitely, so that lots of, professionals, they will definitely get benefit watching this kind of video, and they will also do these things what I'm doing right now. I'm not saying like I'm doing advanced things or something like that, yeah, but at least I'm trying. So I have to say bye to all of you from today, because I don't want to stretch it anymore. I want to make it simple and small vlog, and I made it. Hope you liked it. Hope so. If you like my videos, please like, share, and comment. I have to say bye bye to all of you. Bye bye.